Choo-choo, the train has stopped today. Something's broken along the way. Let's look around and see what's wrong. Come along, sing this fixing song. Fix, fix, fix the train. With our friends, let's try again. Turn the wheels and tighten the screws. Working together, there's nothing we can't do. First, the engine needs a little care. Oil and steam here and there. Puff, 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 it starts to go. We fix the train, let's shout hooray! So fix, fix, fix the train. Friends and fun are here again. Hammer, wrench, and screwdriver too. Teamwork makes the train brand new. Next the wheels are wobbly, see. Let's spin them round. 1, 2, 3. Tap, tap, tap. Now they're tight. The train moves on, it feels just right. Ding, 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 the bell rings loud. Chugging strong, feeling proud. Every little hand can help today. Together we'll find a better way. The smokestack puffs, the whistle blows. Through the hills and fields it goes. All our friends aboard again. Hooray, the train is fixed, my friend. Choo, choo, the fixed up train. Riding happy once again. Wave goodbye and sing along. Fixing trains makes us strong.